This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We continue to have strong winds across all of West Michigan and a high wind warning. It's already produced gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour today. So gusty out here in Coldwater. You can see the flags at all four corners of this intersection and the traffic lights swinging on the line, and it's the same story everywhere. Our sustained winds on the low side, South Haven is 18. We have a sustained wind of 33 in Muskegon and a sustained wind of 35 in Grand Rapids. That is so windy. At least our temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s is warm enough not to have to worry about much accumulation in terms of snow. But these gusts, they continue. We are now down to a 48-mile-an-hour gust in Grand Rapids and 46 for Three Rivers, 36 in South Haven. But we're all still under this high wind warning until 8 p.m. So another couple hours of these gusty winds before they're going to start to come down. They should diminish rapidly, although even at 11 o'clock we could still have some gusts 35 to 40. But going into the early morning hours tomorrow, the wind will really start to come down. Will be around 10 to 15 miles an hour tops for much of the day tomorrow, so this threat is almost over. We also have a winter weather advisory for additional snow from Acosta and Newaygo counties through about 2 a.m. This could produce another maybe inch of snow in these areas, but with this band very quickly moving away, there is the chance that some additional redevelopment could happen in this area, but there should not be a whole lot more than maybe an inch of snow in those affected spots. The rest of us look to be okay for the remainder of the evening. Putting things in motion, you can see these bands of snow pushing down the next couple of hours, but with temperatures for the most part warmer than freezing today and even staying a little above freezing tonight, we really shouldn't have any issue with accumulation. And early tomorrow morning, we're going to see the clouds clear out. Temperatures fall into the 20s, so it will be chilly, but it will end up being a decent day, all things considered, right around 38 and mostly cloudy. If you have things to do outside, tomorrow is the day to do it, because Sunday we have our next system moving in, and this one is a very complicated system. We are going to have highs in the 50s, but some of us are going to be in the 30s with the threat of some freezing rain, and it's really just going to depend on where you are as to what will end up happening for your location. We'll have snow and ice mostly up north of probably Muskegon is going to be that area that could see some more significant icing. And then the warm side of the system, we have the potential for severe storms south of I-96 and some very heavy rain. All of this comes with gusty winds, so power outages could also be an issue. And depending on the track of the system, some of that icing could get shifted a little farther to the south. As of now, it doesn't look like we're going to have significant icing impacts in West Michigan. But again, the track of this low will very much depend on what we end up getting. There's a lot of energy in the atmosphere too. It is March after all, so that primary risk of severe weather is down into the Ohio Valley, but we do have a slight risk for areas along and south of 96, which is that level 2 out of 5. And this will be for heavy rain and the potential for some gusty thunderstorms throughout the day on Sunday. So the cold side of the system gets the wintry mix and the icing. The warm side gets all of the rain and storms. Everybody will have falling temperatures and snow by Monday.